So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about CG Power share. So there are a few updates regarding CG Power. So we'll discuss that, especially regarding board meeting, which is supposed to be held on 25th of March. So we'll discuss the basic details regarding that, and then we'll switch out to the technical charts to find out the next possible targets. So previously, we know that when it has touched the 66 rupees level, so after that, it has shown some retracement, and many people in Instagram also, they have messaged me whether they can buy near the 58 and 60 rupees level. So clearly I told them that you can average or you can do even fresh investment for long term. So we were discussing this particular stock from 15 rupees level, and you can see the returns, how much it has given in a very short span of time. So still potential is present. So we'll discuss all the details. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so starting with the update, so clearly you can see this is the PDF which I downloaded from the BSE website. So it is published on March 22nd, that is yesterday. So if you see the update in that, it is clearly mentioned that a meeting with the board of directors is scheduled on Thursday, that is March 25th, 2021, to consider amongst other businesses issue of equity shares on preferential allotment. So equity shares will be allotted on preferential allotment to which institution? So you can see, or which bank? You can see Standard Chartered Bank, okay, of Singapore Limited, a qualified institutional buyer. Okay, it is a qualified institutional buyer as settlement of guarantee issued by company in accordance with applicable laws. So on preferential allotment, equity shares will be allotted to that particular bank which is of Singapore, and you can see it is a qualified institutional buyer. So this is the detail which was provided by the CG Power yesterday itself. So we know that little correction was also seen in the stock when market was in little volatile condition. So after that, clearly I told it will retrace, because no stock goes continuously up. It definitely retraces and again it will start its journey. So that is the basic thing we have seen. So let's see today how the stock has traded. So how much deliveries have been taken, so that also we'll try to find out. Okay, so if we see today's trading activity, you can see 23rd March is the date, and if you see quantity traded is almost 1,46,000, and if you see deliverable quantity is roughly around 1,22,000, and percentage wise you can see it is very good percentage of almost 83.67% deliveries have been taken. So if you compare the previous day, so that time you can see on March 19th we have seen 83.1%, and you can see how much traded quantity was also present because of volatile situation. And after that, March 22nd we have seen 59.4, and I can say today we have seen some very good deliverable quantities because some positiveness is present in the stock regarding the board meeting. So that's why little bit of accumulation is also present. Okay, so 1 week wise, if you see the stock movement, so you can see it has given almost 3.02% return has been given in 1 week, and you can see sector almost corrected minus 3.24, and you can see Sensex was also down minus 0.62, and if you see it on a very large time frame, if you see 1 year returns, you can see 1 year it has given almost 1064.57% return. So you can imagine how much returns, 1 lakh to 10 lakhs. And if you see Sensex, that time it has given 92.64% returns in 1 year. Sector, you can see it has given 93.69% returns. So huge returns have been given. So we have started discussing about CG Power from 15 rupees. So what was the main reason? So when Murugappa Group, when it has started buying the stake, and also when it has bought additional stake on regular basis, so that time also we have updated. So if you want to watch just for to know how the fundamentals we have discussed during that time, you can watch the videos as well. Directly you can type in YouTube CG Power Stocks JT, so you'll get a number of videos. So only major concern was the financials. So financials, we know it has reported loss. So on that note, we could not 100% 100% justify it will continue the journey. But later we know some positiveness was seen from the management side and also from various institutions like Tube Investment. So those companies, when they started increasing or buying the stake, so some positiveness was seen. So now let's see on technical charts. So we'll try to find out what will be the next targets. Okay, so we're back onto the 1-day chart. So this is basically the 1-day chart. So you can see currently it is closed near 64.90, and if you see the 52-week high of it is around 66 rupees. So that is going to be very crucial. I think tomorrow only it is going to touch that particular level if it closes with upper circuit. So we know that little bit of correction was seen from here. It has retraced, and I told clearly watch the 50-day exponential moving average. So when it has almost not touched that, but almost when it has come, even when market was trying to retrace, definitely the stock has also shown some retracement and it has gone near 64.90 rupees level. So immediate next resistance is 66. So mark this as a very important thing. And support wise, I can tell you the next immediate support is 60 rupees. Okay, so support wise, support is 60 and immediate next resistance is 66. So if it crosses that, definitely 70 plus will be easily achieved. And money flow index also, you can see it is near 51, which is also indicating some bullishness is present. Okay, what you can see in 1 week chart. So in 1 week chart also you can see the same thing. So 1 week, this particular week started with some bullishness, and also you can see a full-fledged candle is being formed. So this particular week, if it closes in complete bullishness, then definitely it will cross that 62 and 70, 75 will be easily achieved. So make sure you mark these levels into your charts so that you can take necessary actions. Like if you want to add something or if you want to average, so those levels would be very important. Okay, so technically I also told you to put two moving averages. So one is 200-day exponential moving average, another one is 50-day. So whenever they come little closer, you need to understand that some excessive buying is happening, and when they cross each other, then again that is a bullish indication. So by practice, definitely you will understand in my videos as well. So just for educational purpose, I'm telling that you need to watch these type of technical indications basically on charts. So for this money flow index also, you can see it is near 67, and that is also in completely not in overbought and still showing some potential. So these are the two levels. So first support wise 60 rupees. After that, immediate next resistance is 66, and followed by targets would be 70 plus. Okay, so these are targets. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section or in Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.